Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change crosshair on your AOC monitor. So what you'll need to do is basically go to the menu using this button. As you can see, let me focus it. So this is the turn off button and this is the menu button. So click on the menu button, and basically using the arrows we need to go to the extra, and right here I don't have any crosshair options. And if you go to the game setting, let's see if we get something there. No, we don't have any of those. So as you can see, I don't have any crosshair settings, so that means I only have the red one. If you basically click on the right arrow, you'll get a basic one crosshair. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and see you in the next one.